Swift and precise, SOF strikes enemy positions near Russia. Operators from one of Ukraine's Special Operation Forces centers performed a swift and precise raid on enemy positions near the state border with Russia. The SOF's press service released a video showcasing key moments from the operation. During the mission, Ukrainian Special Forces penetrated deep into enemy territory, neutralized several enemy combatants, and captured a Russian soldier. There were no casualties among the Ukrainian Special Forces. On July 9, it was reported that operators of the UA Reg Team unit of Ukraine's Special Operation Forces destroyed a rare Russian remote mine-laying system known as Zemlyadelye. The system was spotted on one of the front lines while it was operating near Ukrainian positions. Ukrainian forces then launched a targeted hunt using FPV drones. As a result of the initial strikes, the vehicle attempted to flee the area via roadway. However, the escape attempt proved unsuccessful. The system was destroyed. Ukrainians encircle and take Russians captive without a single human soldier. Here, the Ukrainian 3rd Assault Brigade conducted a groundbreaking operation by employing FPV drones alongside ground-based kamikaze drones to attack fortified Russian infantry positions. This forced the Russians into panic and allowed the Ukrainians to recapture territory without even setting their foot on the ground. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian 3rd Assault Brigade, now the leading formation within Ukraine's 3rd Army Corps after recent restructuring, operates in the Borova direction and is frequently deployed in offensive operations across the entire sector. Renowned for its battle-hardened capabilities, the brigade works closely with local units, demonstrating exceptional planning, tactical precision, and advanced assault methods that set the standard for modern warfare. The status was recently confirmed through an unprecedented achievement. They executed the world's first successful assault entirely using air and ground drones, capturing Russian-held positions without deploying infantry. During the assault, FPV drones first struck enemy fortifications, causing severe damage and panic among the defending troops. Following this, unmanned ground vehicles loaded with powerful explosives moved toward the already battered Russian dugouts. As the first drone, loaded with anti-tank mines, detonated, the Russian soldiers became aware of the imminent death threat and quickly created a makeshift cardboard sign to signal their surrender. With no Ukrainian soldiers physically present to engage, the enemy troops found themselves defenseless against this innovative, drone-only offensive. After their surrender, the surviving Russian soldiers were guided by an aerial drone directly to Ukrainian lines, where they were taken prisoner without resistance. Shortly afterward, Ukrainian infantry calmly entered and secured the captured positions, including nearby forested terrain, without firing a single shot or spilling a drop of Ukrainian blood. Officers from the 3rd Assault Brigade emphasized the significant tactical value of this operation, highlighting that the positions had previously resisted conventional assaults by neighboring Ukrainian units. The success achieved solely through drone warfare marked a crucial turning point. Ukraine's latest advancement, the ground drone Termit, illustrates these capabilities effectively. Being a highly mobile, tracked robotic system capable of carrying up to 300 kilograms. Its low-profile, tracked chassis ensures smooth operation across various terrains, and its powerful battery enables several hours of continuous remote operation over substantial distances. This versatility allows it to function as a kamikaze system, a medical evacuation device, a combat module carrier, or a resupply unit. Such technologies increase Ukraine's tactical flexibility and significantly reduce the exposure of infantry to lethal threats on the front line. The 3rd Assault Brigade continues to lead innovation in warfare, marking a distinct evolution in combat operations. Although drones had been extensively utilized before for softening enemy positions, reconnaissance, and support tasks, successfully capturing enemy-held territory exclusively through drone technology represents a new era in ground combat operations. Overall, the revolutionary Ukrainian drone-only assault likely marks a cornerstone moment in modern warfare history that will continue shaping its future. It underscores Ukraine's commitment to continuous technological innovation under extraordinary wartime pressures. Ukrainian military developers and engineers are tirelessly working to enhance drone and robotic capabilities, seeking innovative solutions to counteract Russia's numerical superiority and evolving battlefield threats.